Pandanus is one of the earlier traditions which shouldn't be forgotten. One of the woven pandanus is a mat. Although in these days, many mats are made from plastic and carpet. In Aceh, pandanus leaves are called seke, which used as a raw material for making woven mat. There are some steps for making a woven mat. First, the pandanus should be sliced in its sides. Next, pandanus leaves are boiled in hot water to make it soft and clean from pads. And then, pandanus are dried under the sun. After the pandan leaves are dry, the pandan leaves are colored with dye. The process of staining is done very simply. That is dipping dye and pandan leaves into hot water, then boiled. After that, pandan leaves that have been dyed should be dried again. After the coloring process is completed, then the raw material of pandanus leaves are ready and woven according to Aceh motif. Aceh woven mats have a high artistic value and are distinctive that affect the life and culture of people. Those are not only for society, but also for foreigner and marketing in national to abroad.